So good morning, my dear students. Today we are going to do this chapter, Bipin Chaudhary's Lapse of Memory. Today we will read this chapter. In this chapter, basically there are two main characters, Bipin and Parimal Ghosh. Okay. So for that, I'm going to share a screen with you. Get ready with your literature books. So all of you should be ready with your literature books. Welcome you all after summer vacations. I hope my all students are fit and fine. They have enjoyed their holidays. So without wasting much time, let's begin with this chapter, Bipin Chaudhary's Lapse of Memory. Basically, what is the meaning of lapse? Lapse means loss. Okay, lapse means loss. So here basically there are two main characters in this chapter. First is Bipin and second is Parimal Ghosh. There are two main characters in this chapter. Okay, Parimal Ghosh and Bipin. Clear? So in this chapter, you will come to know about a concept that Bipin, he was given a reminder by one of his acquaintance, one of his known person, Parimal Ghosh. But when incident was told to Bipin, he tried to recall all the things, but he was not able to recall. Because one of the person, Parimal Ghosh, he told him that he had been to Ranchi, I have seen you there, I help you there. But when Bipin tried to recall all the things, he was so surprised, he was not able to recall. So what was the suspense in that? Why it happened? So because if one person gives you reminder, yes, I have seen you somewhere, but you are not able to recall that I have not gone to that place. How have you seen me this there? So that really becomes a very, you can say, embarrassing and different kind of situation, and it is very much difficult to face such kind of situation. It happens or not, it happened in your life or not. So for that I just want to ask you some of the question before reading this chapter, that do you think that you have a good memory? Has your memory ever played any tricks on you? Reply me. Do you think that you have a Pranav? What happened? Why are you doing annotation? Pranav, shall I remove you from my class? Now tell me, do you have a good memory? Okay, you all are writing in chat box that yes, you have a good memory. So has your memory ever played any trick on you? It means you wanted to recall something, but were you able to recall or not? Has your memory ever played any trick on you? Any of the student raise your hand and reply me that you wanted to recall something about past, but when you were trying again and again, you could not recall. So Harman wants to share his experience. I expect from other students also. So Harman, you tell me what happened
Good
basically.
morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Ma'am, in the holidays, this summer holidays, ma'am, there was one Punjabi homework of poem writing. Then, ma'am, I had written a poem in a rough notebook, but after some days, I forgot that where it was written. I searched for it. I was not able to recall it.
Okay, very good incident he has shared. He is so honest. He always shared his, you can say, real incident. I'm really happy with such kind of students. My other students also should share. He wanted to recall that where he has written his work, but he couldn't recall. It is sometimes it happened with us that sometimes we keep something somewhere, and after some days when we want to search that thing, that we have to, you can say, recall that where we have kept that these things, those things. It happens. I think it happens with all of us. So forgetfulness, every person has you can say, every person can have such kind of experience that they might have forgotten something in their life, So, but forgetting is a part of your life. It can be a part of a life for everybody. But sometime when forgetfulness can make a person completely crazy, completely mad. So in this story, you will come to know that Bipin Chaudhary, he wanted to recall one of the incident, but he was not able to recall that incident, and it really made him so crazy. Why so? Because he was just recalling that incident, that when he had gone to Ranchi, because he had never gone to Ranchi in his life. So he was trying to recall, but there were so many witnesses also, there were so many evidence also on the opposite side. He was able to get so many opposite, so many, you can say, incidents, so many evidence that yes, he had gone to Ranchi, but he was not able to recall. So many persons were giving him reminder that you were going to Ranchi, but he was not able to recall all those incidents. So there is a complete suspense in this story. You will thoroughly enjoy it if you pay attention in class, and if you absorb, engrossed completely in this text. So you are going to enjoy. So first chance that I'm going to give to Harman. Okay, Harman, you start reading first page.
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am. Every Monday, on his way back from work, Bipin Chaudhary would drop in at Kalicharan's in New Market to buy books, crime stories, ghost stories, and thrillers. He had to buy at least 5 at a time to last him through the week. He lived alone, was not a good mixer, had few friends, and didn't like spending time in idle chat. Today at Kalicharan's, Bepin Babu had the feeling that someone was observing him from close quarters. He turned round and found himself looking at a round-faced, meek-looking man who now broke into a smile. I don't suppose you recognize me. Have we met before? Asked Bepin Babu. The man looked greatly surprised. We met every day for a whole week. I arranged for a car to take you to the Woodrow Falls. In 1958, in Ranchi, my name is Parimal Ghosh. Ranchi? Now Bipin Babu realized that it was not this man who was making a mistake. Bipin Babu had never been to Ranchi. He had been at the point of going several times, but never made it. He smiled and said, "Do you know who I am?" The man raised his eyebrows, bit his tongue, and said, "Do I know you? Who doesn't know Bipin Chaudhary?" Bipin Babu now turned towards the bookshelves and said, "Still, you are making a mistake. One often does. I have never been to Ranchi." The man now laughed aloud. "What are you saying, Mr. Chaudhary? You had a fall in Woodrow and cut your right knee. I brought you iodine. I had fixed up a car for you to go to Knitter Hut the next day, but you couldn't because of the pain in the knee. Can you recall anything?" Someone else you know was also in Ranchi at that time, Mr. Dinesh Mukherjee, who you stayed in a bungalow. You said you didn't like hotel food and would prefer to have your meals cooked by a bawarchi. Mr. Mukherjee stayed with his sister. You had a big argument about the moon landing. Remember? I will tell you more. You always carried a bag with your books in it on your sightseeing trips. Am I right or not? Bipin Babu spoke quietly, his eyes still on the books. Which month in 58 are you talking about? The man said October. No, sir, said Bipin Babu. I spent puja in 58 with a friend in Kanpur. You are making a mistake. Good day. But the man didn't go, nor did he stop talking. Very strange. One evening I had tea with you in a veranda of your bungalow. You spoke about your family. You said you had no children and that you had lost your wife 10 years ago. Your only brother had died insane. which is why you didn't want to visit mental hospital in Ranchi. When Vipin Babu had paid for the books and was leaving the shop, the man was still looking at him in utter disbelief.
Okay. Now just I'm going to explain the text. I have written difficult word meanings also. By the time you can write down these word meanings, you can write down. You can underline difficult words, because if you will come to know about the meanings of these words, only then you are able to understand. So here on first and second page, what is basically given, that Bipin Chaudhary, okay, that is the main character of this chapter. He would drop in Kali Charan's in New Market. And why he was stopping there? Because he wanted to purchase books there. And which kind of books he wanted to purchase? Crime books, ghost stories, thrillers, such kind of stories he used to read. Okay. And at one time, at least, he used to purchase near about 5 books for the whole week. Because what was the reason behind that? He was a very ardent reader. He was living alone. Okay. He had not so many friends, and he did not like to spend his time in useless idle, you can say. Idle means useless. He did not like to spend his time in idle talk. So idle here you can say idle means useless. Okay. So what happened? Bipin Chaudhary observed, he saw that somebody was observing him, somebody was looking at him very close quarter. It means from a very near distance, from a very short distance, somebody was looking at him. And he turned and he found that who was there? There was a meek looking man who now broke into a smile. Meek means very much mild, very much soft spoken, okay, down to earth. So such kind of personality, such kind of person was looking at him, and after that he gave him a smile. And he, that, what was the name of that person? The name of that person was Parimal Ghosh. Okay. So what was the conversation going between Bipin Chaudhary and Parimal Ghosh? That Parimal Ghosh wanted to give him reminder that he knew him because he had seen him in Ranchi. Okay. So he gave him a reminder that I have arranged one car for you also in Hudru Falls. Okay. So such kind of reminder was given to him. Have you written these word meanings? Written these word meanings, all of you? Okay. So what was going on basically? So many reminders were given to Bipin Chaudhary by Parimal Ghosh, but Bipin Chaudhary, he was not able to recall, because he said, okay, when Parimal Ghosh gave his introduction that his name is Parimal Ghosh, he had met him in Ranchi. So Bipin Chaudhary realized this thing, that this person was making a mistake. Why so? Because Bipin Chaudhary said that he had never gone to Ranchi. Okay, but he smiled and he said, do you know who am I? Who I am? So the man raised his eyebrows. Raised his eyebrow means he became so surprised. He bit his tongue and he said, do I know you? Why doesn't know Bipin Chaudhary? So Bipin Chaudhary now, he was turning to bookshelves and he said, you are making a mistake, because I am very much sure that I have never gone to Ranchi. So how can you know me? So now Parimal Ghosh, second person who was talking to Bipin Chaudhary, he started laughing. Okay. And he said, okay, what are you saying? Okay. You had a fall in Hudru. Hudru is the name of place, and you fell in that place. You cut your right knee also. Okay. I brought a iodine for you also. I had fixed up a car. Fixed up car means I have repaired your car also to go to Netrahat. The next day, Netrahat is the name of a place. So because you were having pain in your knee, so he was giving him so many evidence, he was giving him so many proofs that, but when Bipin Chaudhary wanted to recall all the incident, he was not able to recall. See, that is a really embarrassing situation. Suppose some stranger comes in front of you and he says you that I know you, I have seen you there, I have met you there. How would you feel? Just keep yourself in the place of Bipin Chaudhary, because he wanted to recall all the incident, but he was not able to recall all the incident in front of Parimal Ghosh. Okay. Now after that, he gave one more incident, he gave one more proof, that was a third personality, that was Mr. Dinesh Mukherjee. Okay, he told about Dinesh Mukherjee that Dinesh Mukherjee also stayed in that bungalow. Okay, and he also gave him reminder that you did not like hotel food and you wanted to have food cooked by Bawarchi. Okay, Bawarchi is a cook. Okay, so Mr. Mukherjee, he was also staying there. He was staying with his sister. So you were having so many arguments about moon landing. You remember all the things. So such kind of evidence, such kind of proofs, such kind of different kind of reminders were given by Parimal Ghosh to Bipin Chaudhary, but Bipin Chaudhary was not able to recall all those incidents. So what can be the reason before that? You just make a guess. Was Parimal Ghosh, he was a big liar, or Bipin Chaudhary could not recall because he had some problem in his brain, he had gone crazy? What do you think? Just make a guess, don't read the text further, because this story is full of suspense, and if you will read it thoroughly, so you people will definitely enjoy it. Okay, so you tell me, make a guess of this. Hurry up, make a guess of this. What do you think? Type in chat box and I'll be appreciating your guesses. Don't read further, just make it. Okay, Ananya is saying because he was alone and maybe in depression. Very good, Ananya. Okay, Harmanpal, due to age, you forgot. Okay, that can be. So, Ananya has made a very good guess. Harmanpal, Arish, memory loss. Okay. Okay, Janvi, lapse of memory. Okay, good. So you all are making your guesses. I'm really happy with your performance, that those who are typing in chat box, they are telling about their guesses. It means these students have full interest in this chapter. What about others? There are 36 participants. What about others? My dear student, you also type in chat box. What do you think? What are your guesses? What can be the reason? Because there is a great suspense. See, when you watch a movie, why you watch movie for 3 hours? Tell me, because if in any of the movie, if there is suspense, what will happen now? What will happen now? Afterwards, after 10 minutes, after 15 minutes, what will happen? What will be the ending of the movie? So for whole of the movie for 3 hours, we become so inquisitive. We become so eager to know what is going to happen next. So in the same like this, in this chapter, you are going to enjoy it just like a movie. What happens? Two persons are there. Bipin Chaudhary is there. Parimal Ghosh is there. Parimal Ghosh is giving him so many evidence, so many incident that we met there. This happened, that happened, blah blah blah, like that. So many incidents are given, so many reminders are given. But Bipin Chaudhary, he wants to recall. I have never gone to Ranchi. I don't know you. I have never seen this. This incident had not happened. So such kind of episodes are going between two personalities, but he is not going to recall all the things. So what can be the reason? Parimal Ghosh is a liar, or Bipin Chaudhary is doing a drama, or there is something, or he has lost his memory. What is the reason? Or he is in depression. What can be the reason? So this story is full of suspense. Okay, further now, Arish, you read.
Okay, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Comprehension check is there before the paragraph. Next paragraph.
Okay. Then wait. So when such kind of reminder was given by sister that you had a big argument with the moon landing, remember? So when Bipin Chaudhary spoke so quietly, still his eyes were on books. It means his attention was towards the books. So he, after that, he talked to him. He told him that which month you are talking about. So man told him that in the month of October you went there. So Bipin Chaudhary said, okay, you are saying October month, but I have never gone there because uh, when I was of 58 years, I spent my time with a friend in Kanpur. So you are making a mistake. So good day, you should move from there. But that man, it was, you can say, very much confident. He gave him so much other reminders. He told him that one evening he was having a tea with you in veranda of your bungalow. Okay, you were talking about your family. You told that you had no children. You also told this thing that you have told you have lost your wife 10 years ago. You have only your brother that you can also had died insane. Insane means he became crazy, mad. So that's why you did not want to visit the mental hospital in, which is why you did not want to visit the mental hospital in Ranchi. So after that, when Bipin Chaudhary paid money for those books that he purchased, he was about to leave the shop. He was still looking at the man and he was still in utter disbelief. Utter means very much disbelief he was having. Now get ready for your comprehension check. Why did the man stare at Bipin Chaudhary in disbelief? Man here means Parimal Ghosh. So why Parimal Ghosh was looking at in disbelief? Tell me. Only one student is raising hand. Okay. What about others? What about others? Only Harman and Janvi. Only two students are raising their hands. What about others? Ananya. Okay. Arish. 4. Now tell me. Okay. I can ask this first answer from any of the child. You should be ready. And this recording will be uploaded on YouTube, so that whole of the class will come to know about inattentive student. Clear? Am I clear to you? And keep your cameras on. And there is no need to leave the class because you will be marked absent if you leave the class. Hurry up, raise your hand for this answer. Raise your hand. This chapter is so interesting, just like a movie, full of suspense, thriller. Thrill is there. Still, you are not answering. Okay, Nandini, you tell me first answer.
Yes, ma'am. The man started at Bipin Babu in disbelief because Bipin Babu did not recognize him, even though he was sure that he knew him and had met him in Ranchi.
Nude is not a word. He knew him. No, knew. Second form is knew. Otherwise, your answer is correct. Okay, Janvi.
Okay.
Okay, Janvi, now you tell me this answer. Second.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, second answer.
Yes.
Bipin Babu said that he went to Kanpur in October 58 and spent the puja with a friend.
Okay, good. So, beta, you will do this comprehension only in your books. You will not do in notebooks. Okay. So, what is the answer of first? Why did the man stare at Bipin Chaudhary disbelief? The man who was man there, Parimal Ghosh. Okay. And he was taken aback because he was just going to recall when Bipin failed to recognize him. He did not believe that Bipin had a lapse of memory. Bipin had a loss of memory. Okay. Now next is, where did Bipin Babu say he went in October? He told that he had been there in Kanpur. Okay. Third question, mention any 3 things that Parimal Ghosh knew about Bipin Babu. We have just read about that. What about 3 things that Parimal Ghosh knew about? Ashpreet Singh, you tell me. Ashpreet Singh, you tell me about third answer. You have to mention 3 things that Parimal Ghosh knew about Bipin Babu.
Ma'am, can I write in chat?
No, you just speak. There is no need to keep your camera on if you are not in condition. You speak only answer.
Ma'am, no. Ma'am, I have throat problem. Ma'am, I have very much
Okay. No problem. Then you can type in chat box. No problem. Okay, now. Prabhasharan Jodh, you tell me this answer. Prabhasharan Jodh.
Yes, ma'am. Bipin Babu, Parimal Ghosh knew the following things about the Bipin Babu, that he had lost her children. He had no children. He had lost his wife 10 years ago, and his brother died um, um, when his brother died when, ma'am, this answer I don't know.
Beta, it is
This
given
line.
right in front of you. Right in front of you, just look at the screen. Here it is given this answer. How will you do comprehension in your paper? Tell me.
Ma'am, his brother died because he don't want to go in the he don't want to go inside the mental hospital in the Ranchi, and he had no children, and his wife was lost 10 years ago.
Yes. So yes, their answer is given in front of you that he knew about Bipin Babu's wife was dead. He has only one brother and had died in same year in Ranchi. Okay, and that he was in mental hospital. Okay, and Bipin had no children and he was okay. So this thing he knew about Bipin Chaudhary. Clear? Now let's move further. Who is going to read now? Okay, Ari Sharma, you read.
Okay, ma'am. Bipin Babu's car was safely parked in Bertram Street by the Lighthouse Cinema. He told the driver as he got into the car, "Just drive by the Ganga, will you, Sitaram?" Driving up the Strand Road, Bipin Babu regretted having paid so much attention to the intruder. He had never been to Ranchi, no question about it. It was inconceivable that he should forget such an incident which took place only 6 or 7 years ago. He had an excellent memory, unless Bipin Babu's had read. Was he losing his mind? But how could that be? He was working daily in his office. It was a big firm, and he was doing a responsible job. He wasn't aware of anything ever going seriously wrong. Only today he spoke for half an hour at an important meeting, and yet the man knew a great deal about him. How? He even seemed to know some intimate details. The bag of books, wife's death, brother's insanity. The only mistake was about his having gone to Ranchi. Not a mistake, a deliberate lie. In 58, during the pujas, he was in Kanpur at his friend Haridas Bagchi's place. All Bipin Babu had to do was write to know. There was no way of writing to Haridas. Bipin Babu suddenly remembered that Haridas had left with his wife for Japan some weeks ago, and he didn't have his address.
Okay, wait.
But where?
Wait. Now afterwards, I'm going to explain this thing. Now after that, there is a change in incident. Now Bipin cars, it was safely parked in Bertram Street, okay, by the Lighthouse Cinema. So he told his driver why, because he just drive by the Ganga, will you, Sitaraman? So this question was asked, and now he was repenting, he was retracting, it means he was repenting that why he had paid so much to intruder. Okay, so from that what we have come to know, intruder means uninvited guest. So you write down the meaning of difficult words, only then you'll be able to understand. So write down the meaning of intruder. Intruder means uninvited guest. Okay, so he was uninvited guest. Okay, so he was thinking about that because he had never gone to Ranchi. Okay, so why should he think about all the things? So it was really inconceivable. Inconceivable means unthinkable, that cannot be thinked. Unthinkable, that cannot be thought. Okay, sorry, that cannot be thought. So it was basically unthinkable. It means it was completely not clear, because he should not think, because he was very much sure that he had never gone to that place. So why he should be convinced with that. Okay, so this incident happened near about 6 to 7 years ago. Okay, and he was thinking that he had a very excellent memory. So that's why he was thinking that it was a reeled. Write down the meaning of reeled. Reeled means he was thinking it was only basically spun. It means he thought that this story was only made by that person, Parimal Ghosh. It is not a real incident. Okay, so that's why he was thinking that it was completely, he was feeling spun by that. He did not believe at all that this story was true. He was very much sure that he had never gone to Ranchi at all. Clear, beta? Have you written these word meanings? You write down meaning side by side, only then you'll be able to understand the text. So when he was losing his mind, but now what could be? Because he was working daily in his office, and this office was not a simple office, it was a very big firm. Okay, and there he was not doing a very simple job, he was doing a very good job, very responsible job, and he was aware, he was not aware of anything that was seriously wrong. Okay, so today he spoke for near about half an hour at an important topic. And now what happened? What is the suspense about that? Now better time is running out. We will continue with this chapter tomorrow. Up to that, you read it again, okay? And revise word meanings, also difficult word meanings. And we will continue with this chapter tomorrow. Clear, students? Okay, students. Thank you and have a nice day, and do your homework daily. Take care of your health.